how to do this fast and just to get something done. That's the key when you're trying to make money online, is to just get something done, get it out there, start promoting it, and then move on to something else. So we're just going to paste that under article body. And then where it says resource box, this is where we're just going to plug in the resource box that we have created. So I'm just going to copy that, paste that right in here. And then we're going to go ahead and if you've read the author's agreement, just click over here on yes, I agree. And then click on preview article. And this is going to bring up a little pop-up box. It's going to load up the article. You can see, and then from here you can check and just ensure that the links are working correctly. So I'm just going to click on that, and the links do seem to be working good. So now I'm going to go ahead and just click on submit this article. And it's going to just take just a little bit of time. And this is ezinearticles.com again. It's going to ask you if you want to update your resource box to always have that. I use no thank you just because I submit a lot of different articles in different niches. It's up to you how you want to do that part. Once you do that, it's going to show up this as it's in review. It typically takes a few days, 48 to 72 hours, sometimes more than that, for your site to article to get approved. But you can actually do this process again with the other article if you did write two articles. So you could actually be submitting two articles as you go through this process. So that is ezinearticles.com that we just worked with. So I'm going to go ahead and just log out of that. And I'm going to take you to another website that I like to submit to that is called goarticles.com. So goarticles.com, just like you see on your screen. And in this case, you're going to go over to submit articles. And if you're a new member, you would just click on new member and just fill in the very, very, very brief information. Click on add me and then follow the instructions to get your account set up. The login information is down here for Go Articles. It's kind of difficult to find, but there it is. So we're just going to click on that, log in. And we're going to go down here to where it says add new article. So just click on add new article, and we're just going to again copy and paste the same information in that we have been working with. So you should by now be getting kind of an understanding that this is very simple. It's a task that you can easily do and that you can duplicate over and over. It's just a matter, most of them ask for the same data, they just happen to be in different locations as you go through the process. So let's just click here, and then where it says article, this is where we're going to just copy and paste the complete article in there. So I'm just going to take this, copy, and I'm going to paste the article in. So I'm copying and pasting the article in. And then now where it says category, in this case I'm trying to look for make money online, internet. Let's see, subcategory. That's probably not the best one then. Let's see here, business. And let's see if we can get money. E-commerce, that's a matter of making money online, so that might work. We could just go with that for now. And then you can just click on preview. That's going to show you the article. Now notice that the links, you can check to make sure that the links are working. So they are. I'm just going to click the back button, and I'm going to just click on add article since that looks good, and just return to the member page. And now I should see two articles down there now. And we can just click here on view. And this is for Go articles. You can actually look at your article. They actually review their articles really fast. So that's to your advantage. So there you have Go articles. So now we're going to just go ahead and close out of that, and just log out of our account. And then I'm going to come over here to the next site called articlesbase.com. Articlesbase, spelled just like you see on your screen right here in their logo, articlesbase, and then just put .com at the end, and you'll get to a website that looks similar to this. When you get here, it's the very same process. Click on Submit Articles, and if you're a new author, just click on that. Follow the simple on-screen instructions. They do ask for your bio right up front. That's okay. Input that. Make sure you do the validation code, which is shown up right here, and then click on Submit, and then check your email for confirmation. Follow that process next. Once you already have your account, just click on Submit Articles once you go to the site. And the good thing is that you're only going to need to set up these accounts once, and then you should be all set to go. So you could submit new articles on the same topic to try and get new traffic options. So just go ahead and click on Publish Article, and we're going to just copy and paste the same information in here to Articles Base. So we've got the author name selected. We are over here looking for category. The category that we're looking under would be probably in the money niche. Let's see here. Internet marketing will work. Title. We're just going to take the title. So again, keep in mind that your category is whatever category you are working from. So I'm going to copy that in there, take the summary, which will be the first sentence, or 2 sentences, depending on how I want to do it. Just pasting that in there. And so this is very, very basic stuff that we are doing. So the keywords, we just do, paid surveys, online surveys, make money online. Article body, you're just going to copy and paste your article body in there. Okay, and then we're just going to put in a new, make sure we have the correct signature in there. I already have one in there as a default for another website I was promoting. And then we're just going to go ahead and click on Submit or Preview. I like to click on Preview all the time just to make sure it was done correctly and to ensure that the links are working as they should. So the link looks like it is working. That's great. And then you would just go ahead and click on Submit once you're done doing all of that. Okay, and once you have submitted your article, you will see the article show up right here. So, the next thing that you're going to want to do here is find more article directories to submit to potentially, or once you've submitted them to the 5 that I just showed you, go back and submit the other article you wrote if you wrote 2 articles, because the more articles you get out there, the more traffic you're going to see. So what I do to find good article directories, I just go to Google simply, and I will just type in article directory, and I just like to look at the main websites that show up, and I'm trying to look for sites that offer free submissions. So you could do article directory, you could do submit article into Google, and just find all sorts of article directories. Submit article free, free article submission. You can just find all sorts of content and websites that you can go to actually submit your articles. So you see here's another one that you could be using. There's just so many different article directories out there that you can be using. So once you go through those article directories, you'll want to find more to submit to just to keep the process rolling, keep backlinks going to your website, keep content getting out there for you just to get more exposure for what you are offering. So the next video will cover another marketing method, and we will go into detail on that.